Hello. Today is 10th March. Sensex is around 57,500. Market have corrected significantly. Only one question every investor is having. Is it a time to exit? Because probably we have not adequately learned to think that is it a time to invest. We only think exit, we do not think investment opportunity. Let me share a couple of negative news. Crude is significantly high. Dollar is also high. There is thinner possibility of fourth wave of COVID. Ukraine-Russia war, we don't know when will it stop. The assembly elections of 5 states, we don't know what will it result by today evening. So if you were to count the negative news, I can keep on adding to that all the negative news. But we as an investor have to look it differently. And let me put it a word, simple word, profit from risk. What is profit from risk? Then whenever there is a rough weather in the market, whenever the market, in the words of Warren Buffett, when others are fearful, be greedy. When others are greedy, be fearful. That's the simple thing we need to remember. So simply do not worry what is temporarily happening. We have to look at the long term, and the long term is bright. Trust me. Simple conclusion to this message is that do not panic, do not worry. Simply invest and invest. By stating this, I want to emphasize on if you have availability of surplus funds that you want to invest for long term, you may take a cautious call that do not invest all money at one time. Take 6-month horizon, split that into 6 installments and invest. But do not make mistake of withdrawing any investment. So stay invested or increase investment. Do not stop your SIP, start SIP. That is the simple message I wanted to share with you. Thank you very much. Good luck.